Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, green color, blue color, red color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets and use black color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use black color and draw. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for God, G for grapes. Kids, neither H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use green color and draw. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither numbers. And first read of 1 and use blue color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4. Kids, again use blue color and draw. 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7. Kids, neither 8. The numbers of 8 and use red color. E I T H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10, 11. The numbers of 11, 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.